Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your login password on Temu account. So first we're going to go to the Temu app. Then once you're here, you're going to click on You, found right at the middle. Then next you're going to click on Settings, found at the top right corner. So once you're here, you're going to click on Account Security. Then as you can see, there's the password option. You're going to click on Edit. So you're going to insert your old password. Then once you're done, you're going to insert your new password and confirm it. Make sure your new password has the password quality of strong, since you don't want to compromise your security. Then once you're done, you're going to click on Submit. So as you can see, we've successfully changed our password. So that's how you do it. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.